You can customize your Edge 130 with free data fields from the Connect IQ store. To get started, download the Garmin Connect mobile app to your smartphone. Then pair Edge 130. It's quick and easy. Open the app on your phone and tap the menu icon or More depending on your smartphone's operating system. With your Edge 130 paired, select the Connect IQ store. Here you can browse the data fields available for your Edge 130. And when you find one you like, tap it and select Download. To add data fields to your Edge 130 or adjust them, press and hold the Up key to access the menu. Select Ride Settings. Then Data Pages. Select the layout of the screen you'd like to add the data field to. Choose which of the fields you want to change. You'll see a list of available categories. Select Connect IQ and choose the downloaded data fields to add. Remember, new data fields are always being added to the Connect IQ store, so check back to see what else you can download to enhance your ride. Thanks for watching. To learn more about riding with Edge 130, make sure to watch the other videos in this series.